Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Ethan, and today we are going to talk about the weather.
Hello, everyone. I'm very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi, Ethan. How are you today?
I am good, thank you.
That is great.
How are you today?
I am good too.
Are you ready to talk about the weather?
Yes, I am.
Great.
Weather is a very easy topic for English learners.
Yes, we talk about the weather almost every day.
That is true.
We can talk about the weather with our friends.
We can talk about it with our family.
We can also talk about it with people at work.
Yes.
So, let's start with a simple question.
Okay.
Ethan, what is the weather like today?
Today it is sunny.
Sunny?
Yes, it is sunny and warm.
That sounds nice.
It is a beautiful day.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I really like sunny days.
Why do you like them?
I like sunny days because I can go outside.
That is a good reason.
I can walk in the park.
Nice.
I can also ride my bike.
Do you ride your bike often?
Yes, I do.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I like sunny days too.
What do you like to do on sunny days?
I like to go for a walk.
Where do you walk?
I usually walk near my house.
Do you walk in the morning?
Yes, I do.
What time do you walk?
I usually walk at 7 in the morning.
That is early.
Yes, but I like the morning.
Why?
The air is fresh,
That sounds nice.
and the weather is usually cool.
I agree.
Do you like cool weather?
Yes, I do.
Do you like cold weather?
Not very much.
Really?
Yes, I like cool weather, but I do not like very cold weather.
I understand.
What about you?
I like cold weather.
Wow.
I like wearing warm clothes.
What kind of clothes do you wear?
I wear a jacket.
Anything else?
I wear warm shoes and a sweater.
That sounds comfortable.
Yes,
Let's learn some weather words.
good idea.
The first word is sunny.
Sunny.
Sunny means there is a lot of sunshine.
For example, it is sunny today.
Exactly.
That is an easy sentence.
The next word is cloudy.
Cloudy.
Cloudy means there are many clouds in the sky.
So we can say, it is cloudy today.
Yes.
What is a cloud?
A cloud is the white or gray shape we see in the sky.
I see.
Sometimes clouds are white.
Sometimes they are gray.
Yes,
Gray clouds can mean rain.
that is true.
Do you like cloudy days?
Yes, sometimes.
Why?
Cloudy days are often cool.
That is true.
They are also good for walking.
I agree.
But I do not like very dark clouds
Why not?
because they can mean heavy rain.
Ah, yes.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes
What do you do when it rains?
I stay at home.
What do you do at home?
I watch movies.
Nice.
Sometimes I read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes.
Do you like listening to music when it rains?
Yes, I do.
What kind of music?
I like quiet music.
That sounds perfect for a rainy day.
Yes.
I also like rain.
Really?
Yes, but I prefer light rain.
What is light rain?
Light rain is rain that is not strong.
I understand.
You can walk outside with an umbrella.
Yes.
Heavy rain is different.
Yes.
Heavy rain is very strong.
You may need to stay inside.
Exactly.
What do we say when rain is coming?
We can say, it looks like rain.
It looks like rain.
Yes.
That is a useful sentence.
We can also say, I think it will rain.
Good.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Look at the sky.
The sky is dark.
What can you say?
I think it will rain.
Excellent.
What if the sky is blue?
You can say, it is sunny.
Easy.
Yes.
What if there are many clouds?
You can say, it is cloudy.
Great.
Now let's talk about temperature.
Okay.
What does hot mean?
Hot means the temperature is high.
Correct.
For example, it is hot today.
Very good.
What about cold?
Cold means the temperature is low.
For example, it is cold today.
Exactly.
What about warm?
Warm means it is a little hot but comfortable.
So warm is not very hot.
Correct.
And what is cool?
Cool means it is a little cold but comfortable.
So cool is not very cold.
Exactly.
These 4 words are useful.
Yes, hot, cold, warm, and cool.
Let me ask you a question.
Go ahead.
Which do you like more, hot weather or cool weather?
I like cool weather.
Why?
I feel comfortable in cool weather.
What about hot weather?
Very hot weather makes me tired.
I understand.
What about you?
I like warm weather.
Why?
I like going outside.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What weather is good for the beach?
Sunny and warm weather.
I agree.
Would you go to the beach on a rainy day?
Maybe not.
Why?
I want to enjoy the sun.
That makes sense.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I do.
Swimming is great on a hot day.
Yes,
But we should be careful in very hot weather.
that is true.
We should drink water.
We should also stay in the shade sometimes.
Good point.
What does shade mean?
Shade is a cool place away from direct sunlight.
I see.
For example, we can sit under a tree.
That is shade.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about wind.
Good idea.
What is wind?
Wind is moving air.
Moving air?
Yes,
So when the air moves, we feel wind.
correct.
We can say, it is windy.
Yes,
It is windy today.
perfect.
Do you like windy weather?
A little wind is nice.
But strong wind is not nice.
I agree.
Strong wind can make it difficult to walk.
Yes,
It can also move things around.
that is true.
Have you ever seen a very windy day?
Yes, I have.
What happened?
The trees moved a lot.
Wow,
Some leaves fell from the trees.
that can be scary.
Yes, a little.
Now let's talk about storms.
Okay.
A storm can have strong wind and heavy rain.
Yes,
Sometimes there is thunder.
and lightning.
Do you like thunder?
No, not really.
Me neither.
Thunder can be very loud.
Yes.
What about lightning?
Lightning is beautiful, but it can be dangerous.
That is true.
So we should stay inside during a strong storm.
Yes,
Safety is important.
very important.
Now let's talk about the seasons now.
Good idea.
There are 4 common seasons.
Spring, summer, fall, and winter.
Some people say autumn instead of fall.
Yes,
Both words are correct.
good to know.
What is spring like?
Spring is often warm and fresh.
Flowers grow in spring.
Yes,
What about summer?
summer is usually hot.
People often go on vacation in summer.
Yes,
What about fall?
fall is often cool.
The leaves can change color.
Yes,
And winter?
winter is usually cold.
Some places have snow in winter.
That is right.
Do you like winter?
I like winter in movies.
What does that mean?
I like watching winter scenes, but I do not want to live in a very cold place.
I understand.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Why spring?
I like flowers.
Nice.
I also like the cool air.
That sounds lovely.
What is your favorite season?
Summer.
Why?
I like long days and warm weather.
Do you like summer vacations?
Yes, I do.
What do you do on vacation?
I like to travel.
Where do you like to travel?
I like to visit new cities.
That sounds fun.
Yes,
Now let's learn some simple questions about weather.
good idea.
The first question is, how is the weather?
Very useful.
Another question is, what is the weather like?
That one is very common.
What is the difference?
There is not much difference in meaning.
So we can use both?
Yes. Can you give an example?
Sure. How is the weather today?
And the answer can be, it is sunny today. Exactly.
Another example is, what is the weather like today?
And we can answer, it is cloudy and cool.
Great.
Here is another useful question.
What question?
Is it raining?
That is very easy.
Yes.
Can we say, is it sunny?
Yes.
And is it windy?
Yes.
Great.
Now let's talk about grammar.
Okay.
When we talk about the weather, we often use it is.
Like, it is sunny.
Yes.
It is hot.
Correct.
It is cold.
Correct.
It is raining. Exactly.
Why do we use it?
In English, we often use it when talking about the weather.
So we say it is sunny,
Yes.
not the weather is sunny.
We can say the weather is sunny, but it is sunny is more natural in simple conversation.
That is helpful.
Another important point is rain.
Rain can be a noun or a verb.
Exactly.
Can you explain?
Sure.
Rain as a noun is the water that comes from the sky.
Correct.
For example, I like the rain.
Good.
As a verb, we can say it rains a lot here.
Excellent.
What about right now?
We can say it is raining now.
Because it is happening now.
Exactly.
That is the present continuous.
Yes.
It is raining.
Good.
What about the past?
We can say it rained yesterday.
So rain becomes rained.
Yes.
That is a regular verb.
Correct.
We add ed.
Exactly.
Rain, rained.
Very easy.
What about snow?
Snow can also be a noun and a verb.
We can say it is snowing.
Yes.
And it snowed yesterday.
Correct.
Very useful.
Now let's practice some sentences.
Okay.
Today is sunny.
It is sunny today.
Yesterday was rainy.
It rained yesterday.
Tomorrow may be cloudy.
It may be cloudy tomorrow.
Excellent.
Let's talk about tomorrow.
Okay.
What do you think the weather will be like tomorrow?
I think it will be sunny.
Why?
The sky is clear today.
That makes sense.
What about you?
I think it will be cloudy.
Really?
Yes.
Do you check the weather forecast?
Yes, sometimes.
Where do you check it?
I check it on my phone.
Me too.
The weather forecast is useful,
Yes.
especially when we want to travel.
Or when we want to have a picnic.
Good example.
Imagine we want to have a picnic tomorrow.
Okay.
What weather do we want?
Sunny and warm.
Exactly.
What if it rains?
We can stay home.
Or move the picnic to another day.
Good idea.
Do you like picnics?
Yes.
What do you bring?
I bring water,
What food?
sandwiches, and fruit.
Nice.
Maybe some cookies too.
I like cookies.
Me too.
Weather can change our plans.
Yes, it can.
That is why weather is an important topic.
Exactly. What about you, everyone? What is the weather like where you are?
Is it sunny?
Is it rainy?
Is it hot?
Or is it cold?
Please think about your answer.
You can also write your answer in the comments.
That is a great way to practice English.
Yes.
Let's do a short practice conversation.
Great idea.
I will ask the questions.
And I'll answer.
Ready?
Ready.
How is the weather today?
It is sunny today.
Is it hot?
Yes, it is a little hot.
Is it windy?
No, it is not windy.
Do you like the weather?
Yes, I do.
What will you do today?
I will go for a walk.
Great.
Now you can practice too. Imagine I'm asking you, how is the weather today?
Take a moment to answer.
You can say, it is sunny,
Or, it is cloudy.
or it is rainy.
Or, it is cold.
Very good. Now let's talk about pronunciation.
Okay. The word weather can be difficult for beginners.
Yes.
Weather.
Weather.
Say it slowly.
Weather.
Good.
The word is weather.
Do not worry if it is difficult at first.
Practice makes it easier.
Another useful word is temperature.
That is a longer word.
Yes.
Temperature.
Temperature.
You do not need to say it very fast.
Speak slowly and clearly.
That is good advice for English learners.
Yes.
You can also use simple words.
For example, instead of saying the temperature is very high, you can simply say it is very hot.
That is much easier.
Exactly.
Simple English is good English.
I like that.
Me too.
Let's review the words we learned today.
Good idea.
Sunny,
Sunny means there is a lot of sunshine.
cloudy,
Cloudy means there are many clouds.
rainy,
Rainy means there is rain.
windy,
Windy means there is a lot of wind.
hot,
Hot means the temperature is high.
cold,
Cold means the temperature is low.
warm,
Warm means comfortably hot.
cool,
Cool means comfortably cold.
storm,
A storm can have strong wind and heavy rain.
forecast.
A forecast tells us what the weather may be like.
Great.
We learned many useful words today.
Yes.
We also learned some useful questions.
How is the weather?
What is the weather like?
Is it raining?
Is it sunny?
Is it windy?
These are easy and useful questions.
You can use them every day.
Exactly. Before we finish, I have one more question for you.
What is it?
What is your favorite kind of weather?
My favorite kind of weather is cool and sunny
Why?
because I can go outside and feel comfortable.
Good answer. What about you?
I like warm and sunny weather
Why?
because I enjoy walking and traveling.
That sounds great. What about everyone listening? What is your favorite weather?
You can write one simple sentence.
For example, I like sunny weather.
Or, I like rainy weather.
Or, I like cool weather.
Try to make your own sentence.
And if you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
We hope you learned some useful weather words.
We also hope you feel more confident speaking about the weather.
Remember, you do not need difficult English.
Simple sentences are enough.
Practice a little every day.
And do not be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
That is very true.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep practicing your English.
Keep speaking,
Keep listening.
keep learning.
See you in the next episode.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.